Happy Easter!
That was good for me.
What is that?
That's mine. That's really mine.
The Easter Bunny brought you treats.
Yeah.
Wow. What else did he bring you?
It's stuck.
It's stuck. Can I help
Yeah.
you? Go see what else he brought. Go pick up the basket.
That?
Ooh, candy.
Yep. That's good for me.
It is. What else is in your basket?
It's more.
Wow.
More candy.
More candy? What else?
Is there a handle?
No, it's
Not on the candy, Daddy. Look what Daddy did. There's the whole basket.
there's more candy.
More candy. Oh my goodness.
It's mine.
What's that?
It's mine. It's mine.
It's Emily's. It's a little purse, huh?
Yeah.
It's a puzzle pouch.
Mommy, what?
Candy.
And what?
Chocolate candy.
Yep. Look.
Ooh, a jelly bean.
Yep.
I've heard those are Easter bunny poop.
More candy.
Yummy.
More candy. And more. There's more candy. More candy. There's more candy.
Wow.
And there's more candy.
They don't wrap it very tight.
Yeah.
What's the... It's wrapped.
What is it?
I don't know. It's a big bunny.
Wow, a chocolate bunny.
Yay!
Are you gonna eat it?
Yep.
Is it good?
Yeah. It's got a little hole.
Yeah. But it's yummy.
Is it good?
Yep.
Mmm.
That looks yummy. That was a yummy face.
Yeah. All right.
Two thumbs
up.
up.
Everything's okay. It's like when they fall off the motorcycle in the stunt show.
Oh, yeah.
And they get the big thumbs up. It's okay, folks.
What's another jelly bean?
Yep.
All right.
Chocolate. More chocolate.